What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Today we're not talking about the Chevy Silverado, but we are going to Lazy Springs Recreational Park to do some bogging. I'm not gonna bog the truck, but we got plenty of friends going out there to do some fun having. So stick around, check it out. Peace. Alright, so we're a little ahead of schedule. So I pulled off to some sketchy gas station here off the side of 29. I am waiting for the rest of the crew. We got a couple trucks, we got UTVs, ATVs, anything that you can bog except for my truck, Big Bertha. Next time you see this clip, we'll be caravanning. Let's go.